Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Maths. Question 2. The table below shows the ages of 4 friends. Whose age is the closest to their average age? First, we need to find the average age of these 4 friends. 28, Lily, plus Haimei, 26, plus 30, plus 27, 54, plus 57. The sum of their ages is 111. And we divide 111 by 4, we can get the average age. We use the calculator. 111 divided by 4, the answer is 27.75. Next, we need to understand the meaning of the closest correctly. On the number axis, there are 2 ways to approach a number, either from the left or from the right, just like the number line. 0, -1, 1, 2. So for -1 and 2, which number is the closest to 0? Of course, it's -1, just 1 unit. So we use 28 minus 27.75 equals 0.25, and 27.75 minus Haimei's age, which is 26. We got 1.75. So it's quite easy for us to know that Lily is the closest to their average age, which is 27.75. So the answer here is Lily. Thanks for watching.